Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we will explore the basics of how computer programs work and discover how they are similar to cooking recipes. Computer programs are all around us, on our smartphones, tablets, laptops, and even in the technology that powers businesses like Amazon and Netflix. But what exactly is a computer program? A computer program is essentially a set of instructions that the computer follows. These instructions are executed one at a time. Let's break it down into three basic types of instructions. This is where the program receives data. It could come from a file, keyboard, touchscreen, or network. The program then performs computations on this data. For instance, it might add two values together. Finally, the program displays or stores the result of the computation, whether on a screen, in a file, or elsewhere. Here is a simple example. Suppose our program receives two numbers from the keyboard, 2 and 5. The program assigns these numbers to variables. Let's call them x and y. It then adds x and y together to produce a result, which we will call z. The final step is to display z, which in this case is 7 on the screen. Think of a computer program like a recipe. Just as a recipe provides instructions for baking a delicious cake, a computer program provides instructions for performing tasks. For example, let's look at a recipe for baking chocolate chip cookies. Mix 1 stick of butter and 1 cup of sugar. Add an egg and mix until combined. Stir in flour and chocolate chips. Bake at 350 Fahrenheit for 8 minutes. Similarly, a computer program includes instructions like multiplying numbers or displaying results. The program follows these steps to achieve the desired outcome, just like a chef follows a recipe to bake cookies. So, whether you are programming a computer or following a recipe, you are working with a sequence of instructions that lead to a final result. Understanding these basics is the first step toward becoming a proficient programmer. If you want more interesting tutorials like this, please like, comment, and subscribe. Your feedback is key to our improvement.